Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as many other people, I also decided to organize my closet, and as I was doing that, I realized that I had a lot of things that I never wear. A lot of them are brand new with the tags still on. The rest are things that I've worn once or twice. So I decided to put them up on Poshmark and find them a better home. So in this video, I'll be showing you a selection of the items that I'm selling currently on Poshmark. If you see anything that you like, feel free to head over there. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm selling is this burgundy dress from Express. When I bought it, I actually bought two of them in two different colors, and I ended up wearing the other one more. So this has still the tags on, and I think it's really cute. I really love the way that it looks. I think it's great for like a club or going to a wedding or like a special event. I think it's super pretty. The second dress that I have up is this again burgundy red dress. It's actually, I think it's really good for work. That's what I bought it for initially, but I got it like a year ago and I never wore it, so I figured I'm probably never gonna wear it. And I have another dress as well. This one I've only worn once. I got it while I was on a trip and I had to go to work immediately after we landed, so I needed something to wear to work, so I got this dress, and I didn't have my size, so I got a slightly larger one, and I didn't really like the way that it looked on me, so I decided to sell it. It's by Calvin Klein. It's a really pretty color between burgundy and purple, and I think it's perfect for work or, I don't know, like a more formal event. The next thing is this bodysuit that I'm still really obsessed with, but I didn't have an occasion to wear it to. So it says, "Trust me, I'm a Jedi." I got it right after the first like Disney Star Wars movie came out, and still has the tag on, never worn it, but I think it's really cute. It's kind of dumb because like I buy things like that, and then I obviously can't wear it at work, and then in my free time I usually go for like really casual clothes like sneakers and like a t-shirt, jeans. So these like in-between clothes, I never like get to wear them actually, so they just like hang in my closet for years with the tags on, so I figured someone else can enjoy this. Next thing is another item that is amazing for work. This blazer by Zara, and it's such high quality. It's amazing for the winter. It's very thick. I think it's like wool or something, but it's really nice. It's like a very classic black short blazer, and the reason that I have never worn it is because my office is usually pretty hot, so I don't wear very thick clothes even in winter. So yeah, this hasn't been really functional for me, but it's such an amazing quality. It's a great item for work. It's just a staple for a work closet. The next item is another blazer that I got from H&M so many years ago. I don't even know why I never worn it, but it's like, I feel like it just didn't go with my other clothes for some reason, so it's just brand new, doesn't have the tags, but I've literally never worn it, but it's amazing quality as well. It's like a very classy print, so yeah, I think that's great. And then the final item is a staple in my wardrobe. It's a crew neck. This one I got on sale from Forever 21 maybe a year ago, and it's again unworn, brand new. I have just so many crew necks that I feel like I never got to this one for some reason. And when I saw it, when I was cleaning up my closet, I was like, I didn't wear it for a year, so I don't think I'm gonna wear it. So I think it's pretty cool with that metallic like circle. Kind of looks like the moon, but I think it's pretty nice. It's very soft. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's 100% cotton, and it's just very cozy and nice. I think I'm gonna like sell it for $5 or something like that, so you can even just get it as a lounge thing to like hang out at home. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my Poshmark closet, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye guys!